Alright guys, back up in the blue car. We got a blower motor and resistor. We're gonna change this today. The fan doesn't kick on at all. I've noticed that the cowl was completely off, so it's probably water touched up in here in the blower motor and probably shorted the motor out. Probably nothing wrong with resistor, but we're gonna change both anyway. Water damage, short out electrical components. So you're gonna come down here. I got a T20 on here. On the screw, but you're not joining this party. And yeah, one bolt right here. Take off the cover. Still a little tight. Picked up another screw. That come out. Put the guy down there. There's another one. Right here. We got another one right here. I think it's only two. Let's see if this drops. Oh, it's starting to drop. Take off the light bulb sensor, you just pull it out, it comes out real easy, like this. Put that aside. This car has a system, so don't mind these wires. Aftermarket radio. The blower motor is right down here. I'm gonna unplug the sensor. What is that? Also a T20. Let's see. Put that up in there. You guys probably want some light. Let me give you guys some light. So we're just gonna change the resistor right now, because I have a resistor, a used resistor, and in case I don't need to change the fan, but we got both. T20. Take this sensor out. Also, this one that goes to the fan that controls the speed of the fan. The resistor does look a little burned. Let me grab that. It's stuck in here. Is it burned? When these things burn out, sometimes the connections, they get stuck from the plastic melting. Then you gotta change the whole connector. Got it out. This is the new one. Oh, this shit is like a 1 year old. Was in my car, replaced it, and it didn't make no difference, so it's still good. This was the one that was in here. Opened it up. As you can see, I said it get hot and burn out. Look right there. Started melting. It's supposed to look like this. Plastic started melting. Connection is fried. So this thing was overheating. It's probably shorted out. So this is garbage. Rubbish. Fuck that shit. Excuse my language. So we're gonna connect this up and see if the blower motor turns on. If not, we're gonna replace the whole thing. So I'm gonna just go through this real fast. You guys already know how I took it out. Same way you put it in. So new one's in. Well, the replacement's in. Now we're gonna see if this blower motor works. The key in. Session mode on. Still got nothing. Yeah, I think the whole motor is shot, so you have to take out the blower motor, guys. Looking at the old one or the new one replacement, look like there's only one screw holding it in. Time to find it. Yeah, nothing's blowing. This car been sitting, the buttons are sticky. Nothing. Even if you throw it on heat. I don't know why the car's in Celsius, but fix that. Celsius. So there's supposed to be a tab up here in the corner, right here, and you're supposed to turn this thing clockwise. So I'm gonna grab the tab with this hand. There we go. Turned it. Is that it? How do you get this thing out? This is a headache. Oh, that sounds like something broke. It's really tight up in here. I broke the tab. That's no biggie. Shit is garbage. Oh, a lot of dust and garbage. Let it out. Just so you get it out. There's a lot of leaves in here and stuff. I know this is, I think this is exposed. Oh no, this is stiff. This thing got, yeah, it's corroded. Look at the coils. So I get the camera to focus. Yeah, this got a whole bunch of weathering in it. Probably got shorted out. It's all rusted. Resistors on there. This resistor is good, so I'm gonna take it off. But this whole assembly is done. I'll put the new one in. Just gotta twist it back up in there. So, wow, the new one doesn't have the tab. They broke the tab through shipping. Wow, doesn't matter. It might matter. We'll see. I might have to send this thing back to FCP. We'll see though. Let me look in the box. Like, is the tab in the box? Somebody must have returned this thing and broke it trying to put it in, but we'll see if it locks in.
That dick falling in my face. Disgusting. I don't know if this is gonna lock without the tab. It's not locking without the tab. I'm gonna have to send this back to SCP. The tab right here. Oh, it locked. Okay, I need the tab. The power connector back.
I don't know if you guys saw all of that or you saw my head. It's in. Power connector back. Battery's kind of low. Car be sitting so it don't get charged, but making progress here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but the climate control turned on. Okay, it's blowing. Yeah, the air is really hot and it's blowing. Making progress with this car, man. So you fix that. Mission success.